Damn. Here you are again with another setup. Take a look at this chair. This is way more better than what we had before. Backstory. The reason why I said before is because previously we tried to ride other chairs that were made out of metal frame and hardwood. They were actually fun to ride and such, but not even close to how comfortable the new one is. We got people's attention and made them laugh, but more importantly, I had a seat. Though I must admit, I borrowed it from a coffee shop. I'm so excited to try this out. This shit is funny, ain't it? This chair is so comfy, man. Let's try it out. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah. No way. This is so fun. This is crazy. We are both sitting down on the chair. She has a seat, I have a seat. This is the way to do it. Let's go! No way it works. Nice. Speed bump. Yep. You know, I feel like you can lean way more when sitting on a chair. No way, he's so wet. They most likely call me crazy. You know, as funny as this looks like, this is actually not a bad setup. Whee! What do you guys think about this setup? I don't even know if anybody else tried this. I had this idea a long time ago, but I was scared to do it. It's not that bad. Yeah! Police ahead! Woo! Ah, the car is empty. Never mind. Tesla! Oh shit! Oh. Yo, this thing is sick! Pro tip, unless you really feel the need of practicing this extreme superpower, don't do it. But if you do, at least stick the chair to the scooter with some tape. That way you could say, at least I tried. Other than that, we still have a mission. We have to return the chair. This is where I got the chair from. We should thank the guy. Okay. Bro! Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you.
Okay, no?
Where should I place it? Okay. I will place it here. Thank you so much, brother. Have an amazing night.
Yeah, okay.
That was sick. Îți place? Da. Mă bucur. Looks like bro likes my setup. Okay guys, this was it for today. How do you like my idea? I enjoyed it a lot. It was really fun to ride. This chair is really comfy, you know, it has those strings right here. The G4 is really powerful, so I think this is like a surround experience right here. Thank you so much for watching. You are absolutely amazing, and stay tuned for the next videos.